Welcome back. Today we are going to be doing a hand sewn project. We are going to be making this really cute grape cluster made out of felt for a play kitchen set. If we haven't met before, my name's Mary with Sewing for Madison. My passion is crafting and helping others learn how easy and fun it can be. Let's go over the supplies that we'll need for today's project. So the supplies that we'll need are some pieces of felt. This is a great way to use your scrap felt. I have brown, purple. You can also make green as well, but we're going to do purple today. I'm using two fabric clips, my thread, my needle, some poly stuffing, and a pair of scissors. So the first step in our project today is to sew up the stem of our grapes. So you do this by just rolling up your fabric. Now the size of my fabric here is 5 inches by 2 inches. You want to make sure that you get this part as tight as you can, and that's where these clips come in very handy. Okay, great. I have it all rolled up. I'm going to take my needle that I already have threaded. You want a pretty long string for this, and you're just going to start at one end and just go back and forth all the way to the end, moving your clip as needed. Okay, our stem part is all done. So the next part we're going to do is just go ahead and fold over the top. It's about 3/4 of an inch of a fold, and then secure that down with the stitches on the inside. Okay, this part is all finished. Now we're going to set this aside because we won't use this until later. Our next step is going to be to form our grapes. So I have gone ahead and I've cut 2-inch diameter circles, and we need 6 of them. Our next step is going to be to sew all around the edge to pull it tight so that it becomes a little ball. So now we have it all sewn around the outside edge. I'm going to take a little bit of my poly stuffing, stuff this inside, and then tighten it closed. And you just want to repeat this 6 times. Okay, so I have my grapes all put together, and now it's time to put it on our stem. I still have the last one connected here, so I'm going to go ahead and start with that one. You want to just start at the bottom part of your stem, not at the folded over part. You're going to hold your grape on and just stitch it onto the stem. first one's on. The second one you want to put directly on the other side. Okay, my next two are going to be just a little farther up on the stem here, and on the other side here. My last two grapes are just going to be here and here. Okay, now that we have all the grape clusters on, you just want to go through and tighten up any spaces that you may need to tighten and reshape your grapes into little tiny balls. When you get done, just tie off your thread . And then pull it back through so your knot will be on the inside somewhere. Okay, great. Everything's done. Two little grape clusters, all hand sewn with my felt scraps. So I hope that you enjoyed this project today. It was fun and easy to do. If you liked our video, make sure you smash that like button, consider subscribing, and check back again later for more videos. Happy crafting!